Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and you are going to love the quick and cheap way I refreshed my half bath on my main floor. It costs less than $350 and it looks great. I like the color of my bathroom, but all of the fixtures were outdated. I needed to replace the light fixture, the taps, the towel ring, the garbage can, and the knobs on the front of the cupboards. These were my old taps. They were starting to corrode. I absolutely hated them. So I wanted to change them to something more modern. These are the ones I picked out. I love the matte black color, and I will leave a link in the description below to the ones that I purchased. I also wanted to update my old light fixture. It was silver, so it matched my old taps. This is the one I picked. I love this. The Edison bulbs are also super cute, and I will leave a link in the description below. Let me know, what do you think about this one? This was my old towel ring. You can see it's pulling out of the wall, so I thought I would replace it. However, when I pulled it out and tried to install the new one, this is what happened. So I decided to get creative. I headed to the dollar store looking at their wood items and found something that I liked. There were a lot of options. I wanted something that was a little bit modern farmhouse. And when I looked at all the options, this is the one that had the look that I was going for, and it was only $1.50. I painted it white with some of my leftover cupboard paint and dry brushed it with some gray paint. Then I attached this black matte ring that I ordered off Amazon, and I love how it turned out. I think it has a high-end look, but let me know in the comments, what do you think? I'm really happy with how my bathroom turned out. I think that for less than $350, it went from outdated to high-end and modern. If you're interested in the products that I purchased for this makeover, I have a cost breakdown at the end of this video, and also I will leave a link to each of the products in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and talk to you next time. Bye!